Okay, so here we are looking at the 3 holding tanks after the water's been processed. And those go, what are they, about 1,000 gallons?
These are 1,500 gallon.
1,500 gallons each. And you have a lift pump on that's activated by height? Is that
No.
Okay.
Now what you saw in there is actually the controls
Okay.
to tell us when that tank needs more water
Okay.
and to keep it at a given level at all times.
Okay, and there's 3 of these, and they're all separate.
Float valves?
There's 3 of them. They're all tied together
Okay.
so that we're actually holding 4,500 gallons of water.
Nice.
We can call on at any time. The water feeds in at this end, I do believe, and is drawn at that end. And the reason for that is with surface water, you have to have chlorination contact for a certain given amount of time.
Yep.
And to give it the right number of minutes of contact, it has to come in one end and go out the other.
So that's been engineered, that works without a fault. The rest of the town gets its water from where?
Well, as far as I know, the rest of the town gets its water from some springs up here on the hill. It's actually a little creek up there. I don't remember the name of it right now. The school has a water right to that creek also. And there used to be, that's where it used to get its water. It was all gravity feed from there. But
You made the decision to have your own water processing facility because you could control quality and availability.
Well, and it gave us more water.
And
We
more
didn't
water.
have to worry about water losing, not having enough water in the fall and running out of water.
So as we pan around this, this building was put up how many years ago?
The school building, the part that we see from here, was built in the 50s. The front part was built in the early 1900s.
And the side, the run alongside the driveway, the loading dock and all was part of the 50s? Or
Right.
Okay.
Part of the 50s.
And you don't have any plans with it now because you've basically consolidated the schools into one location. Where was that again?
Days Creek,
Okay.
Okay.
which is, it's actually 14 miles down the road from here.
We were given to understand that the school district wants to cooperate with helping Tiller remain a viable place. I mean, I don't know if that is or is not a part of the picture, but that's what I was told. So, and that they might be inclined to expedite the declaring surplus, etc. property to make this a feasible thing. Do you know anything about that?
We've already declared this surplus,
Okay.
but it takes 90 days to go through an RFP process before we can even sell it. Okay, and so that would be the next step. That won't happen, would not happen until the school board met and voted to do that. Their next meeting will be the 3rd Monday in September.
Okay.
Third Monday.
So you can figure at least 90 days from that point. But, because that's actually it's more than that. Because you go 90 days out to receive your RFPs back. And then at the end of that 90 days, then it goes to the school board and they make the decision as to how they're going to sell it. And
Okay, that's the third Monday you said?
3rd Monday of September.
Excellent. Well, I like the view from here, and I certainly like that you've done as much as you have on the water side. Next stop, I guess, will be the school. Let's go take a look at what we're doing inside.
Well, hang on half a second.